Hi everyone, Courtney here. Today we're going to talk about one of our best-selling products, the BB Wi-Fi Smoke Dual Cam. This device has two hidden cameras tucked inside, one mounted in the front of the smoke detector and one mounted on the side. First, let's see everything that comes in the box. So we'll do our unboxing here. Set this to the side. When you open the box, the first thing that you're going to see is the smoke detector itself. Here is our smoke detector with the front-facing camera here, and the side-facing camera is here. What you see here are pigtail plugs. These are sample plugs. These are actual hard wires inside of these yellow plugs, but there will be more on that later. The next thing that comes inside of your box is your instructional booklet. This shows you how to connect both cameras to your smartphone or home router, as well as a few other features that the smartphone application itself offers. Since the device's storage is internal, there are no separate SD cards or SD card readers that you have to worry about. The included internal storage contains 128 gigs per camera, which is 256 gigabytes total with the entire device. Everything you need to get this functioning and up and running is going to come here in the box itself. Now let's talk about some of the features that are offered. Show you here. Alright, the smartphone app allows you to set up motion detection alerts, which appear as email or push notifications to your phone. You can set up motion detection recording for automatic video and or image capturing along with the alerts. Access the recordings on the internal storage right from your smartphone. You can also change the length of the video clips for motion detection mode. Schedule continuous recording for when you're at work or otherwise away from your home. You can set up the camera to only be connected to your smartphone when you're within range instead of using the remote viewing option via your home router. It does have auto override and loop recording functionality, so that even if your storage fills up with recordings, the device can start deleting the oldest recordings to record the new ones. You can also set up recordings straight to your smartphone or the internal storage. And these specs go for both cameras. Since each camera has its own unique SSID, you can have different settings for each camera based on what you need. Now, on the back of the device itself, you will see it labeled F and S, and that will stand for the front-facing camera and the side-facing camera. For example, you can have the front-facing camera scheduled to record during certain times, while the side-facing camera is set on motion detection recording only. The SSID stickers are distinguished by, again, the F for the front view and the S for the side view. Both of these cameras have a 110-degree viewing angle to capture most of the room and are powered by hardwiring the device into your electrical system. While the device does come with a pigtail sample setup, which are these yellow plugs here on the wires, we do recommend not using this as a permanent power source, as the device is meant to be hardwired in and the camera board may be damaged using the pigtail plugs for too long. Please note that due to legal reasons, our technical support team cannot provide support on the actual hardwiring of the device. We are not licensed electricians, and we only provide support for the camera itself. We do appreciate your understanding. From here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach sample videos to the end of this video so you can see the viewing angles of both the front and the side view cameras. We appreciate your time in watching our video, and be sure to visit deluxecctv.com to see this device and other devices like it. We look forward to taking care of all of your home security needs, and we hope you have an excellent rest of your day. Bye, everyone.